In today's fast-paced and highly competitive business environment, effective communication has become more important than ever. Whether you're trying to promote a product or service, build brand awareness, or engage with your target audience, getting your message across successfully can make all the difference between success and failure. However, many businesses struggle with messages that fall flat and fail to resonate with their intended audience. In this article, we will explore 3 common segmentation mistakes that could be causing your messages to miss the mark. Neglecting audience research, the what? One of the biggest mistakes businesses make when crafting their messages is neglecting proper audience research. Understanding who your target audience is crucial for creating compelling content that resonates with them on a deep level. Without this understanding, it becomes difficult to tailor your message in a way that captures their attention and motivates them to take action. To avoid this mistake, invest time in conducting thorough market research and gathering data about your target audience's demographics, preferences, behaviors, and pain points. This information will help you create buyer personas, fictional representations of different segments within your target market, which can serve as valuable references when developing messaging strategies. Overgeneralizing, the why. Another common segmentation mistake is overgeneralizing the characteristics of your target audience segments. While it may be tempting to assume that everyone within a particular segment thinks and behaves similarly based on broad demographic factors such as age or gender, doing so can lead to ineffective messaging. Instead of relying solely on demographic data for segmentation purposes, consider incorporating psychographic factors into the mix as well. Psychographics delve deeper into individuals' attitudes, values, interests, and lifestyles, providing insights into what truly motivates them. By using psychographic segmentation alongside demographic data, you'll gain a more nuanced understanding of each segment's unique needs, wants, and pain points. This will enable you to craft messages that speak directly to their specific desires and challenges, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Failing to personalize, the how. In today's era of personalized marketing, failing to tailor your messages to individual customers can be a significant oversight. Generic, one-size-fits-all communication is unlikely to resonate with your target audience on a personal level or elicit the desired response. To avoid this mistake, leverage the power of technology and data analytics tools that allow for dynamic content customization. By collecting relevant customer data, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and past interactions, you can create highly personalized messages that address each individual's unique needs and preferences. Personalization goes beyond simply addressing recipients by name. It involves delivering content that speaks directly to their interests, pain points, and aspirations. Whether through email marketing campaigns or targeted social media ads, personalized messaging has been proven time and again to yield higher engagement rates and better overall results. Conclusion. Crafting effective messages requires careful consideration of your target audience's characteristics, hopes, fears, and desires. Neglecting proper audience research, lumping individuals into overgeneralized segments, and failing to personalize communications are 3 common segmentation mistakes businesses need to avoid if they want their messages to hit home with their intended recipients. By investing in thorough market research, gathering both demographic and psychographic data about your target audience segments, and leveraging technology for personalization, you'll be able to create more impactful messaging strategies that resonate deeply with your customers. Remember, the key is understanding who your audience truly is at a granular level. Only then can you deliver tailored content that grabs attention, captivates emotions, and drives action. So, next time you find yourself wondering why your message isn't getting through, take a step back and evaluate whether you've fallen victim to any of these common segmentation mistakes. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll set yourself up for success in delivering messages that truly resonate with your audience and achieve the desired results.